I'm feeling high.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
Welcome everyone. Alright, this is Randy Tech Solutions. Okay. Alright, so you can see here is our community. Alright, the RIT signal group. You can see there are a lot of signals here on this group. We offer free signals. Okay, people have been making serious money on this group. Lot of money. Okay. All right, it's a free signal group, okay, where we help the new coming traders, all right, get on their feet, okay, all right, and become confident in their trading career, okay. We help groom up new forex traders, okay, to become confident and pick up by learning a good strategy and also having a good ideology when it comes to forex trading, okay. So here is the platform. All right, so if you don't have a Deriv account, okay, and you want to open a Deriv account with us, okay, all right, you want to open a Deriv account with us, a forex trading account, okay, all you need to do is click on the link you're seeing here, all right. If you click scroll up, you see how to create a perfect Deriv account and link to MT5 app. All right, and link to MT5 app. On this platform or group, we shall be using only Deriv broker. Please, we don't want some kind of confusion. That's why we are using the same broker. All right, if you want to build your forex account with us, go ahead and register with the link below. All right, this is the link of the video you're seeing first here. All right, the next one here is the Deriv account link. Okay, once you click on it, it will take you straight to the Deriv platform. All right, after watching the video, all right, click below to register your account if you don't have an account with us. Okay, so all right, all you need to do immediately is to click the link. Just click on the link here. All right, it will take you all right to the Deriv platform. All right, here's the Deriv platform. Okay, so don't log in, only click on create free demo account. You click on create free demo account and enter your email address. Okay, so you enter your free email address. Let me use a Randy Infotech phone at yahoo.com. okay, all right, so you click create free email address, okay, to take you to your email address. Like there will be a link sent to your email address. Okay, so you go straight to your email address, all right, and check, you go and access your email address. Okay, all right, so here's the email address and here is the Deriv link that has already been sent to the email. Can you see the link has been sent already to the email address? Okay, so you have to verify your email, all right, to show that you are the one, okay, all right, that is creating the account. Okay, all right, so after you have verified that you're the owner of the account, okay, select your country and citizenship. Okay, so you have to select your country. All right, Nigeria. Okay, I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so I'll enter Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. All right, so country of residence is Nigeria. Okay, so citizenship, okay, should also be Nigeria. Okay, so I'll enter Nigeria. Okay, so I'll then click next. Okay, all right, so it will take me to another page. Keep your account secure with a password, so I will then enter my password. Okay, all right, so after entering your password, okay, you click on start trading. Okay, just click start trading. Okay, it will take you straight to the Deriv platform. To open the platform for you. Okay, welcome to Deriv Hub. All right, next. Okay, trading account, next. Okay, CFD option or multiplier, next. Okay, all right, let's see, just next and start. Okay, All right, you can switch between real and demo account. Okay, all right, click here if you ever need to repeat this. Okay. All right, so all you need to do now, all right, if you click, you see real account. Are you seeing it? So you can navigate between both of them. Okay, right now you should click on the CFDS, okay, to create a Deriv demo account. So you click on the MT5 Deriv demo account. Okay, all right, you click on it and create accounts. Remember, you have to still enter the same password you enter previously. Okay, so once you've entered the password, you click create Deriv MT5 password. All right, congratulations, you have successfully created your demo Deriv MT5 Deriv account. Okay, so continue. Okay, so we've created our demo account on Deriv. So if once you click on open, all right, it will take you to where you can be able to access your login details, your password, all right, and login details. Okay, all right, so make sure you look at the server. All right, Deriv demo. The server here is Deriv demo, because you're going to be selecting exactly Deriv demo, all right, when you want to enter it on your MT5 platform. Okay, all right, so there will be other options, but you have to select Deriv demo. All right, so that we will then create our real account. So you have to switch to your real account here. Look up, you see the real account. All right, you switch to the real account here, real. Okay, all right, then you see get a Deriv account. Remember, this is your real account. Okay, you click on get a Deriv account. Okay, and choose US dollars. All right, US dollars. Okay, US dollars. Okay, then click on next. All right, and enter your verification details. Okay, so you enter your verification number, all right, and your details. Okay, all right, if you decide to select I don't have any of this, so you click on next. Okay, and enter your details, your first line of address and second line of address. All right, so you can just put Port Harcourt, Rivers State, all right, so once you're done, you click next. All right, so you click next and move to the next page and check the two boxes you're seeing. All right, the two boxes you're seeing, just check it and click add. It will take you to another page. All right, so you just click maybe later. All right, if you want to deposit, you can just click on deposit. All right, so we have created our Deriv real account. Okay, so that's the first phase. So we'll go to the next phase. Okay, we'll move to the next phase and click get Deriv account. So once you click on get Deriv account, it will take you to the next page. So on this page now, okay, you just choose one of the options given to you. All right, so I'll pick the first one. Just pick the first one. All right, so you just go with the first one and enter your Deriv MT5 password. All right, enter password and say add. All right, so it's successful. So if you want to transfer, you say, all right, you want to transfer from a fund or deposit into your account. Okay, click and transfer. If you don't want to say letter. All right, so you can see our account, our Deriv account is ready. All right, we did not use ID card. If you don't have ID card, you can see. All right, but it's always advisable you go with the option of an ID card. But if you don't have an ID card, you can still register a Deriv account. Okay, all right, you can still have an account. Okay, so when you click on open here, you see the login details, your password. You already know your password. Server is Deriv server. All right, so right now you're going to enter these details, all right, on your MT5 platform. All right, on your MT5 platform. So we could quickly go to our MT5 platform. Okay, all right, go to our MT5 platform. All right, and locate the add this plus you're seeing here. Locate add. Okay, and search for the broker. Here is the broker, Deriv Limited. So you already see the broker, you have to search for it if you didn't see it. Once it pops out, okay, you click on the Deriv broker. Okay, enter the login details and your password. Look at the server. All right, Deriv demo. Okay, so that's what we're using for our demo account. So you quickly go back and locate first your demo account. Here is your demo account. We'll switch to our demo account and click on open here. All right, so that we can be able to copy our login details. Okay, login. All right, so you switch back to your MT5 platform. All right, you then click on your login details and paste the login details. Okay, and enter your password. All right, so you enter the login details and password and click login. Okay, to just pop open. Okay, so here is your Deriv demo account. So you do the same thing to your real account. Okay, you switch to the Deriv platform. Okay, and select the real accounts. Okay, and click on open. All right, and copy the real account login details. Okay, and make sure you locate the Deriv Limited. All right, and click on login. All right, paste your login details. Make sure it's correct, otherwise it will not open. So when you're done, make sure you select the Deriv server. All right, because your server here for the real account is the Deriv server. Okay, make sure you select the Deriv server. Okay, so once you've done that, you click login. Okay, to just pop open. Are you seeing it? So this is the account, the real account, and here is the demo account. Okay, so this is it. All right, so we now have our real account, and can switch from our real account and demo accounts. Okay, all right, so
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Subscribe.